Hi Rebels, this video is to help you create your PSA. I know that there are some of you who have already completed your taking from action and have submitted it, but there's a lot more of you who have not completed your taking from action, especially your PSA. So I'm hoping that this video can help ease the feeling of being overwhelmed, and hopefully you are able to complete your PSA. First, we need to arrive at our instruction sheet for taking informed action. Then we're going to click on our rubric. Once we arrive at our rubric, we're going to go and open Adobe Spark. Once we arrive to Adobe Spark, you will sign in with your Google credentials, your student credentials. You just continue with Google, and if you're already signed on to your Google credentials, you'll be able to arrive. Like I mentioned in class, there are a lot of options to work in Adobe Spark. You can create a collage, you can create a web page, slideshow, presentation, Instagram post, whatever you want. But we're going to be working with a video. So we're going to go to upper left corner and we're going to click on the plus sign and we're going to go with video. You can choose a specific template from these templates. I'm just gonna go start from scratch. They provide you with an instructional video. Adobe Spark provides you with a instructional video that you can watch. It's only a minute 7 seconds, and it tells you what you can do within Adobe Spark. Right? I'm ready since I've done this before, and so basically this is your canvas. You can add slides to it. You can eventually have your credits. We know that what our credits will be, so we know we can put our name. We can go to the beginning and you can either write text. Let's say you want to start off with something maybe like, did you know? And then start putting in more slides. Let's say I want to add a picture, so I go to my picture computer. So if I upload it from my computer, this screen is going to come up and I'm going to choose a sample picture that I have, a random one. I choose that one to go in. So you can see it's added to it. I can also add text to it if I want to add text to it. Or, at this moment I have 2 seconds that I've added to my video. But, let's say, like I said, I want to add text to it. I can add text to it, whatever I want. I can eventually drag the actual picture to it. I can remove it. It's really up to you. Like I said, I can move the text. It's up to you where you want the actual word text. I can add another slide. I can add a video. Let's say I have a video I want to upload from my computer. Um, I have this short video clip that I have as a sample. I add it in there. Once it's uploaded, it's gonna ask me if I want to save it. Yes, I do. So now I have added a picture and a video, and I can continue to add, text or pictures or short videos or icons. It's really whatever I want to do, right? We want to now add our portion. So if we want to add our voiceover, we can use this as our voiceover. We use a mic to eventually um, record what we want to say, and again, we can say and speak about the facts and data that we have in our video. And so some other features that you want to do or you want to be aware of are here on the right hand side. You can use full screen, You can choose split screen, you can do caption, you can do just title and text. It's really what you want to do. There's also different themes that you can go through. There's the resizing, whether you want widescreen or square. Do you want to add music? So all of that comes into play and you can do that, right? So this is the instructional video on how to make a simple PSA. Remember, it's 45 seconds to 2 minutes max. So now that we have shown all the features and all the tools that you can use within Adobe Spark, let's just preview it. So here is the preview. And that is our preview. Now what we need to do is now we need to download the video to our computer, and if you have a Chromebook, it would download to your Google Drive. So another option that you have, aside from downloading it, you can actually share it and send it to your Google Drive. So share, send to Google Drive. And then once you send to your Google Drive, it's going to ask you to verify which account. I'm going to use my work account. We'll allow it. I will allow it. I will allow it. Allow it. Now my PSA video is in my Google Drive. So the final step is to show you how to share that link with me or paste that link on the taking informed action instruction sheet. So we have downloaded it, so we know we have it in the computer. We have it now in our Google Drive, and we can also do something to generate a link straight from it. We're going to publish it. We're going to create a link to it. So now that you have created a link, now you have the actual link to your video. So this is one way we can eventually generate a link. So we copy the link, and then we're going to go back to our take informed action, and we're going to paste it here. And there it is. There's our link. Another way to access the link is to go to Adobe Spark. With the Adobe Spark folder in your Google Drive, that's where the PSA video will be. We're going to right click, we want to get the link, and there's the link. We want to make it open to people with the Anaheim Union School District email. We want to copy the link, and done. And now we go back to our taking informed action, we paste, and there it is. There's the link to our video. So the final step, or the final option on pasting a link, is in the case that you don't have a link, or you only have a file of your video. So you're gonna go to YouTube. Once you are in YouTube, on the upper right corner, you're gonna see a video camera icon. You're gonna click on that. You wanna upload your video. Once you click upload video, you're gonna have this window. You're gonna select the file from it, and as the first step I did when I created the PSA is I downloaded it, so it's now in my computer, and now I just have to, and we can see that there it is, PSA MP4. We upload it, So once you have uploaded the video, it's ready to be published. And this is very important on the visibility. You don't want to put it private because then I wouldn't be able to see it and grade it. You don't want to if you don't want to have it public because if it's public then anyone can see it. So if you want, you can just choose unlisted, which means anyone with the link can watch it. So by you providing me with the link, I'm able to see it. Then I save it, and there is my video. Now there's my link, so my video link, I copy it, I go back to my taking informed action, and I paste my link. And there it is. That's my link. So I hope that this video helped you with creating your PSA and uploading your PSA, providing with the link.